Where were we?
Right about here.
Jennifer!
It's my
Grandma's.
Right.
I've got to go.
I'll cut!
Bye.
That's the power of it.
I can't believe you loaned me your car without telling me it had a blind spot. McFly, your shoes untied. Don't be so gullible, McFly. Got the place fixed up nice, though, McFly. Yeah, I have your car towed all the way to your house, and all you got for me is light beer. What are you looking at, butthead?
Do you have any idea how important this was to me? Do you have any clue? No, son. Marty, you're better off without us, cowardice. Here you know.
We're gonna rescue this kid by ourselves. Your Uncle Joe really control him.
Hello.
Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet.
Nothing that grab my mind. Be anyone, do anything I'd ever wanna try. Time doesn't exist.